JackoT from Kingston, Jamaica, yeah. Want to sing some of them songs there from these men who have been, from these artists really, who have inspired me over the years, you know. And the great Lou Rawls, you know. Loving you is a dream come true, a treasure I've longed to possess. The way you start out a relationship can ensure your happiness. Hey, you've only got one life to live, so live it in peace, live it in truth, live it in love. Yeah. A la 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 la, a la 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 la, long, 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 long. Hey, standing across the room, I saw you smile. Said I wanna talk to you, girl, for a little while. But before I make my move, my emotions start running wild. One love, one heart, let's get together and feel alright. Say what? Step aside now, JackoT's here to take over, 'cause you don't know what you got. Now it's time to lose it. Yeah, JackoT, Kingston, Jamaica. Look out for me. 2015, I'll be there. New shots, adoption and all of that. No problem. I'll be there. Boom.
What you have for 2015? What should I expect from the JackoT for new film?
Don't tell them on new shots.
New shots,
originals and some do-overs.
Okay. In terms of what type of music?
Hey, reggae, soul.
Sing J, DJ.
Yeah, Sing J, Calypso, whatever.
So we can look forward for some original mixed with some...
Yeah, got quite a few original, you know, but gonna push out some covers first.
They write your own?
Yeah, man, right. Right now got about 3 songs there laid. That's ready.
Okay, so you gotta get them copyright?
Yeah, just waiting on the copyright to go through for a bus anything, you know?
Okay.
Yeah.
So how soon we can look out for that?
Yeah, April, May.
About a month, 2?
Oh, April, May, you know, February, March, April, around that time. So, yeah, man, good.
Yeah, so you're in a hard rehearsal now?
Yeah,
studios.
yeah, get used to the business, you know? Okay. Here, there, and everywhere.
So from Kingston, Jamaica?
Yeah, from Kingston.
From Kingston, Jamaica, you're from?
Kingston, Jamaica. Out of the reggae land.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
That's great. All right. So what's your artist name?
JackoT.
Okay, sir. So you come about that name? That inspired you?
Well, Jackson is the name. He's the top man. So that's it.